everybody, this is Everything Samsung Pro here, and today I ordered a phone on eBay, the Galaxy S3. These are turned upside down because I don't want to reveal my address or anything, so let's get into it. So, where's the eBay thing? My address is right here, but there's an eBay thing underneath it, so let's, get it out. It's in here, I'm pretty sure. Hard to do this with one hand. Paper covering it, probably my address underneath there, but so here it is. It came with this case. I think I'm just gonna take that off. So I moved the packaging out of the way, but this is the phone without it on. It's a T-Mobile S3, and as you can see, the back is kind of scuffed. Doesn't look very good. There's my reflection. I think you've probably seen my face before. But, oh, I didn't notice there was a crack, so it appears to be 2 cracks on the phone. But it's not too bad. I don't think, yeah, it shouldn't be on. But that's where this is, or what this is. So let's move that out of the way. So this is the back cover for the S3, because I don't really like this, cover at all. It's like really, I don't even know what happened to it. I think that's the paint. No, I don't think they painted, but it's definitely chipped. This is definitely like a second layer, so let's just be opening this up. I'm just trying to take this tape off. I think it's attached to this whole thing, so I'll just do that off camera. Alright, I tore the whole thing off, so let's what the hell? It's like glued underneath, I guess. I think the scissors are necessary. Alright. It's so difficult to do with one hand. Alright, I did it off camera. Let's get this out. So I think this is the back. Yeah, definitely. And there we go. That's definitely nicer, significantly nicer. So let's replace this one. I'm pretty sure this is removable. Yeah, that's what that's for. There we go. And there we go. So the new back is on. So let's turn it on. Hopefully it'll turn on. I just felt it vibrate. Let's hurry it up. Oh, that's the same jingle on my S2. So we got that. I've never seen an S3 turn on, so I don't know what's not. I didn't even know it had this light here. I guess it's like a battery indicator, kind of. And there we go. So there's the S3. Thanks for watching. I might do a little challenge, if you know what I mean. I don't know. I'm being weird. But I do plan on putting my SIM in this and making a video later on about it. So thanks for watching.